Hi! Today we'll cook something easy, healthy, and delicious. It's a cake made from oats, apple, banana, milk, and eggs. In a bowl, we add 100 grams oats, 150 milliliters milk. Mix together. Add 2 eggs. Mix well. Peel 1 banana. Mash it with a fork. Add over oats. Mix. Peel an apple. Cut it in small slices. Put over oats. Add cinnamon on top. Bake for 30 minutes. And it's ready. Super healthy and delicious. Follow me for more easy recipes. Thank you for watching.